Hey guys, how do you like your new iPhone X? Ugreen offers a super cool accessory for you to enjoy more fun with it. Our 20,000 mAh super large capacity power bank with built-in lighting cable. As you can see, there's a high-quality MFI certified lighting cable built on the right side, power button on the left side, and the USB port for LED showing the power condition and micro USB charging port on the bottom. Very comfortable feeling on your hand. Next, we are going to show you how awesome it can be to power up your iPhone X. Simply plug our built-in lighting cable with your iPhone X. The charging starts electrically. No need to press any power button. It can fully juice up your iPhone X about 5 times. For iPhone 8, it will offer 8 times extra power and 5 times for iPhone 8 Plus. Once it completes charging, you can put the lighting cable back into the power bank. While charging your iPhone, this power bank can also work for other devices at the same time, like your iPad. Just get your own charging cable and connect via the USB port. You can charge 2 devices simultaneously. If you have any other device, like an Android smartphone, just grab an Android charging cable. If you have a Nintendo Switch, it works perfectly as well. Ugreen also offers a micro USB cable for you in the package to recharge this power bank. So when you are going out, simply take the Ugreen Super Compact 20,000 mAh power bank. No need to bring a long lighting cable which may mess up with other gadgets in your bag. Perfect companion for a long flight, business trip, or travel to keep your devices full of power.